Confessions of men who were rejected when they proposed. Here's what happened. Not every man finds themselves fortunate in proposing to the woman they love. This fear of rejection might be a factor in why some shy away from commitment. With Valentine's Day approaching, we've had conversations with some men, and here are anonymous accounts from those who experienced rejection when they proposed. 1. She loved someone else. After being in a committed relationship for 3 years, I felt it was time to take the next step. I organized a special event at a friend's farm, themed after the TV show Friends, as she adored it, and presented her with a princess-cut diamond ring she had often admired online. However, when I proposed, she began to cry and revealed that she had fallen in love with someone else, coming to end our relationship. It shattered me, causing me to lose faith in love entirely. It wasn't until 5 years later that I found someone with whom I felt secure. 2. She wanted me to leave my parents. It seemed reasonable that she desired to live separately after marriage. However, when I proposed, she presented me with a list of conditions to meet before accepting. Most were agreeable, such as going out together weekly and traveling. Yet, when she insisted on living apart from my parents, I struggled to comply due to my cultural background as an Indian boy. I couldn't bring myself to agree, as my parents hold great importance in my life. Consequently, she declined my proposal and ended our relationship. After a few months, I entrusted my parents to find a suitable match for me. 3. She accused me of being a mama's boy. We had been together since college, spanning an 8-year relationship, and I believed it was time to take the next step, considering our stable jobs. However, when I proposed in her favorite shopping area, she stepped back, leaving me stunned and bewildered. That day remains vivid in my memory, filled with a sense of loss and confusion. Her rejection stemmed from her perception of me as a mama's boy, which she found irritating. Initially, I assumed it was a jest, given our lengthy history together. It proved to be the most agonizing day of my life. Just 2 months later, she entered into an arranged marriage with someone else, leading me to ponder if our relationship had been one of convenience. Gradually, my feelings evolved from resentment toward her to self-loathing. I sought validation from friends, only to find them oblivious to any warning signs. 4. She was pregnant with another's kid. Everything seemed to be going smoothly, and we were prepared to take the next step. However, when I involved my parents in the proposal and asked her to marry me, she declined, stating that she wasn't ready to settle down. Seeking closure, I struggled to comprehend her sudden change of heart, especially considering her prior enthusiasm. Eventually, she disclosed that she had been unfaithful with a one-night stand and was now pregnant with his child, a revelation she had only recently discovered. Despite the circumstances, I suggested we raise the child together and expedite our marriage to avoid suspicion. Yet, she remained uncertain. She departed and requested her parents to arrange her marriage within a fortnight to the next available suitor. Harsh truths you must face if you want to be successful. Check out these important facts. Achieving success requires substantial effort, unwavering determination, and focused commitment. The path to success is challenging, fraught with numerous hurdles and obstacles that may hinder progress towards your goals. Ignoring life's difficulties is futile. Instead, confronting harsh realities head-on is essential to realizing your aspirations. 1. Failure is inevitable. Encountering failure is inevitable. However, it's crucial to recognize that failure is a necessary part of the journey toward success. Successful individuals comprehend that failure is an integral aspect of growth and development, utilizing it as an opportunity to glean valuable lessons and advance further. 2. Hard work is non-negotiable. Avoiding hard work is not an option if you want to succeed. You must devote yourself completely. Success cannot be achieved through shortcuts, it requires relentless effort. Be prepared for countless sleepless nights and sacrifices, missing out on enjoyable moments in life. However, ultimately, your dedication will lead you to accomplish your goals. 3. Get out of your comfort zone. Remaining within your comfort zone hinders success because it limits your willingness to explore new opportunities and discover your strengths. Stepping outside of your comfort zone, taking risks, and embracing new challenges are essential steps toward achieving success. 4. Self-discipline is key. To achieve success, you must relinquish certain casual and unproductive habits. Although they may provide temporary happiness, letting go of these habits is crucial for developing self-control, motivation, and the capacity to manage your time and priorities effectively. These skills are indispensable for success. 5. Lack of support. Not everyone will be supportive of your endeavors. Some individuals may harbor jealousy and attempt to impede your progress by discouraging you or engaging in covert actions. Harsh criticism and rejection are also possibilities you should anticipate. However, maintain your confidence and resilience, pushing forward steadfastly despite any setbacks you encounter. 6. Difficult choices. You will face some difficult choices along the way. It's essential to recognize that taking risks is necessary to achieve your highest goals. Successful individuals make challenging decisions that others shy away from, often sacrificing short-term gains for long-term success. Top 3 signs your marriage can't be saved at all. Have you both experienced these signs? Sometimes, couples reach a point where they can no longer love each other. Despite numerous attempts, they lack the energy to resolve deep-seated issues and strengthen their marriage. In such cases, couples often accept that their marriage is over and let go of their bond. Recognizing when a marriage is beyond repair is crucial to safeguarding your mental and emotional health. Here are the top 3 signs that your marriage has reached this stage. 1. The loss of respect. A marriage is fundamentally broken when respect between partners is lost. Respect is a crucial foundation of any marriage, and without it, maintaining the relationship becomes extremely difficult. Constant criticism and judgment erode respect, eventually leading to deep-seated resentment and the dissolution of the marriage. 2. Infidelity and refusing to end it. When a partner in a marriage engages in infidelity and refuses to end the affair, the marriage is beyond saving. Regardless of how much the other partner tries to persuade them to end the affair, it won't succeed unless the unfaithful partner is willing to do so. Infidelity represents a significant breach of trust, and in such cases, restoring trust becomes nearly impossible. 3. Physical or mental abuse. When abuse occurs in a marriage, it cannot be saved. Physical violence has no justification, and its presence signals that it's time to leave the marriage. Remaining in such a relationship will only lead to more physical and emotional pain. No one should endure the suffering that comes with an abusive relationship. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.